In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify Revolut Business personal details. Verifying your personal details keeps your account secure, helps Revolut meet regulatory requirements, and unlocks features your business may need. This walkthrough is quick and straightforward, and I'll give you tips to avoid common upload errors along the way. For starters, open your Revolut Business app on your phone and log into your account. Make sure you're on a stable internet connection and that you're using the official app. If you're prompted for two-factor authentication, complete that step as usual so you're fully signed in. Next, head to the Settings or Profile section. You'll typically find it by tapping your avatar or the gear icon on the home screen. Look for an option labeled Verify Business or Continue Verification and tap it. This takes you straight into the identity verification flow for your personal details. Now choose which original identification document you want to upload. Select a government-issued unexpired document such as a passport, national ID card, or driver's license. Make sure the name and birth date match what's in your profile and that the document is in good condition with all corners visible. When you've selected your document type, tap Continue. Start capturing your ID. Place it on a flat, well-lit surface and avoid glare. Clean your camera lens, hold your phone steady, and fit the entire ID within the frame. If both sides are requested, capture the front and back clearly. No filters, no edits, and don't upload scans or photocopies. When the preview looks sharp and all details are readable, tap Submit Photo and wait a moment for the upload to complete. Next, take a selfie for the liveness check. Remove hats or sunglasses, face the light, and keep your background simple. Follow the on-screen prompts to align your face. If you're asked to blink or turn your head, do so slowly so the system can verify you're present. When you're happy with the image, tap Upload Photo to send it. After submission, you'll see a confirmation that your documents are being reviewed. Keep the app open for a moment and don't close it during the upload. Reviews usually finish within minutes, but it can take longer during busy times. You'll receive a notification when verification is approved or instructions to try again if something wasn't clear. If that happens, retake photos in brighter light and double check that every detail is visible. And that's it. Your personal details for Revolut Business are on their way to being verified. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your verification.